Let's unbox a true aviation icon, the KLM Boeing 747-400, the queen of the skies. This 1:400 scale model by Phoenix Models comes in the modern light blue livery in which it flew for the final years. From 1989 till 2020, this Boeing 747 in the combi version carried both passengers and freight, perfect for long-haul flexibility. The model comes with all the tiny details, like antennas on the top and bottom of the fuselage and tiny print decals. On the rear of the aircraft is a big cargo door, with windows making it suitable for passengers and freight. This model now lives on in miniature, the queen forever in my collection.